What is New Nordic Cuisine, and why is it transforming the culinary landscape? Well, to answer that question, we first have to travel back to the year 2004. At that time, a small group of Nordic chefs recognized that local food traditions were fading from view. But why? The main reason was a cultural shift. Throughout the Nordic region, generations of farmers started moving to cities, leaving their agricultural lifestyle behind. Farm-to-table practices soon gave way to packaged and processed foods, wiping out centuries of culinary tradition. So, our small band of chefs decided to do something about it. Meeting to draft a 10-point manifesto, they outlined their vision for a new cuisine rooted in tradition and bound by three virtues: purity, simplicity, freshness. Their goal was to close the gap between what was grown in the fields, fished in the oceans, found in the forests, and ultimately put on the table. Embracing culinary experimentation, chefs are also using modern techniques to put a new age twist on age-old recipes. As a result, the new Nordic food movement is no longer just Nordic. It's now an award-winning cuisine that has eclipsed French and Italian, becoming one of the most influential food cultures on the planet, not to mention the tastiest. For additional Nordic food stories, recipe demonstrations, chef interviews, and more, make sure you subscribe to this channel.